This is us on the top side. You see how dirty this sheeting is? So this is us spraying the solution. You can see all the brown, kind of yellowy brown stuff. It's already on the surface, and we haven't even begun washing it properly yet. It's coming off. Fiberglass cleaning is a slow process because it is a textured surface. It's not like washing a corrugated iron surface, which is flat. Fiberglass is a fibrous surface, as the product indicates, and it's woven together. So that's why it takes longer to clean. So basically we have to do this right across all these panels up here and on the other side. And we're going to be hopefully definitely allowing a lot more light into the premise for these guys. Look at that. There we go. It makes a huge difference in terms of the light.